Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to talk about the wonderful healing properties of lavender. Lavender is actually the most popular medicinal herb and it's been used since the ancient times. It actually comes from the Latin word lavar, which means to wash, and in Arabic traditional medicine they actually used lavender as an expectorant and antispasmodic. The Europeans in their folk traditional actually regarded lavender as a wonderful plant that's really useful for wound healing and also a worm remedy for children. So it's very calming as well to the system in general. And when we talk about lavender, we mean specifically the lavandula species of lavender, and it's absolutely amazing because it contains rich volatile oils, tannins, flavonoids and other compounds that are healing to the body. And lavender in general, it's very relaxing, and it's also considered as a wonderful antispasmodic. It stimulates the circulatory system and it tonifies the nervous system, and it's antibacterial, it is antiseptic, it promotes bile flow. So it's one of these calming plants that is amazing for the body overall health wise. And the part of the lavender that we use is the flowers, and we concentrate on the flowers because they contain that potent oil and they contain the most concentrated form of compounds in the whole plant. So the flowers are less potent than the essential oil. As you know, lavender essential oil is well known for its amazing benefits, but the flowers are also nice. You can make tea out of it, and you can also make tincture from the flowers. So they're mostly used for nervous exhaustion, stress, headaches, colic and indigestion as well. So if you are lucky to have lavender growing around you and you have correctly identified the species, then congratulations. Make sure that it's away from pollution, and it's best to harvest it towards the end of the flowering stage when the petals have begun to fade. And you can use the lavender and dry it in either the dehydrator or in the lowest temperature in the oven, or even air dry. I found that when I was drying lavender in the late summer, it was very easy, and it took about a day and a half, 2 days to completely air dry a bunch of lavender flowers that way. And it's amazing because they're rich in so many healing benefits and they're very calming for the body. So you can actually make an infusion from the lavender. You can take it for headaches, for exhaustion, for colic as well. Simply make a weak infusion, then you could also make a tincture or purchase a lavender tincture and take it according to the instructions. Great for nervous anxiety, great for headaches as well. Now lavender has also been used as a mouthwash, but to be honest I haven't really tried it myself, but that's one of the uses of the lavender. But usually when it comes to lavender, we always concentrate on using it as an essential oil for so many different benefits, which we will get today. Everything from a chest rub to a hair rinse to a massage oil and even a cream as well. So a little bit of an overview before we get to the recipes of the lavender essential oil uses. The essential oil is a really powerful, popular aromatic oil that is great for helping with so many different problems, and it's such a great thing to have in your first aid kit in regards to every time you need to use it. It's powerful, it's there right in front of you. You can get to use it and take advantage of its healing properties. And now you can incorporate in your different things, everything from a cream, and that is basically just adding a few drops of the oil to your cream, preferably a cream made from a herbal cream that's made from natural ingredients, preferably one that contains chamomile, because chamomile also is great for the skin. If you don't find a cream that contains chamomile, I would highly recommend a cream that contains calendula, because calendula is very, very soothing for the body, specifically when it comes to eczema. So if you suffer from eczema, please use a natural cream, natural herbal cream, and then if you want to give it a little bit of a boost, add a couple of drops of the organic lavender essential oil to your cream, mix it up, and there you go. Use it on your eczema wisely. If you suspect any sort of allergic reaction, make sure you do a patch test. But if you're okay, good to go, then it would be great for eczema as well, and for relieving the skin. Also, you can use it in your lotion, and that is simply by adding a few drops of the oil to a little bit of water, and then you can use it as a lotion for sunburn. Now, one of my favorite ways to use the lavender essential oil is as a simple chest rub, and this is super simple because all you would need to do is to add about 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oils along with other essential oils that are calming as well, which is, I prefer chamomile essential oil, the same amount. You add it to carrier oil just to mix it up and dilute it. You can use it as a chest rub for asthma, bronchitis, coughing, to help in relaxing as well. Great for children rubbed on the bottom of the feet, diluted. So I usually put it along with magnesium oil at the bottom of the feet of my children, of course above the age of 1-year-olds. This is my personal experience with it, and it's great. It really helps in relaxing them and in preparing them to go to sleep after their bath. So make sure that you always use it diluted. You can also use it as a hair rinse, and this really is great for problems with hair loss and just to re-energize the hair. And just that simply works as you place about 10 drops of the oil with water, for example, mix it up, use it as a spray or rinse for the hair. And please make sure you get it away from the eyes, the sensitive areas, and the nose and the mouth when you are using this type of hair rinse. Lavender essential oil can be used as a massage oil, and that is simply by diluting it with another carrier oil. I would prefer almond oil or jojoba oil because it penetrates the skin much more easier, and it doesn't contain that overwhelming scent to it. And it's really great for helping to calm painful muscles. And you can also massage the neck area if you suffer from tension headaches. It's great for migraine as well in order to relieve that. So if you are suffering from insect bites, I know that you can help to use the essential oil, mix it with another carrier oil, and then place it on the area of the insect bite. It would help to calm that down. Another important quick word of caution: please avoid lavender in pregnancy because it is a uterine stimulant. We've come towards the end of our video today. If you found this video helpful in any way, like, share and subscribe, and make sure you click on the bell icon in order to receive our latest videos and updates. Thank you for supporting the channel, and thank you for watching. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.